I'm back again. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I hope you enjoy your Diwali vacation very well. So, this is your aptitude class. And what is date today? Today is 17th of November 2020. And day is Tuesday. So, in today's aptitude class, we will solve test paper 3. So for that, you have to take out your aptitude book, be ready with your pencil, eraser, and let's start the class. So now everyone open your test aptitude book. Open page number 55 and firstly write down today's date, that is 17/11/2020. Okay. Now take the correct option, question 1 to 6. Okay, so in test paper 3 we are going to solve some question 1 to 6. Choose correct option. In these questions we have to choose the correct option. Okay, so let's read the first. Ocean related to water. It means ocean filled with water. So balloon is filled with color, rubber, water or air. Yes, balloon is filled with air. We blow air. Okay. Now question 2. When we add 4 plus 4 we get 8. When we add 6 plus 6 we get 12. 100 plus 100 we get 200. So what we add here? When we we get 40. So we add 20 plus 20, then we get 40. So the answer is 20. Now third is, we have given alphabet series. One alphabet, one letter is taken from initial and the second one is taken from last. Like A is taken from initial and Z is taken from last. Similarly, B is starting second alphabet and Y is taken from last. Similarly, C starting and X is taken from last. So what will come after C? D. Okay. So here D is taken from starting and W is taken from last. So the answer will be D. Now fourth question. We have given some number and numeric and alphabet series like 5, 6, 7. What will come after 7? 8. Okay. And let's read alphabet L, M, N. After N, O will come. Then 9, P. So the answer should be 8O. So the answer is D. Correct option is D, 8O. Okay. Now fifth question is, we have given some figures and we have continued this pattern. Triangle, circle, diamond. Then again triangle, circle. Then what will come after circle? Diamond. Okay. So the answer will diamond, B option. Okay. Now sixth question. In these figures we have to continue the same pattern. Like in this figure, left region is shaded, then topward region is Now question 6, we have given some figures. Okay, this is shaded from left side, this is from topward, this is from right side and this is from downward side. Okay, so what will be the next? So this pattern will follow again. We have to follow the same pattern. Okay, so what will be the next? Yes, so next will be this. Again we will follow the same pattern. So next figure is left shaded part. Okay. Now next question is, cross the odd one out. Question 7 to 8. In question 7, 8 we have to choose we have to cross on odd one out. Okay. So we have given some alphabet pairs A, B, P, Q, L, M, Y, X, G, H. So these pairs are correct, but this one is odd one. Why? Because instead of yx it should be xy. So this one is wrong. So we cross it like this. Okay, now 8th. We have given some figures and these figures looking similar, but this one is looking odd among all these figures. Okay, so we will cross on odd one out. Okay, this is odd one out figure. Now question 9. Read the question 9. Sameer is 7 years old. His sister is 4 years younger than him. What is his sister's age? Okay, Sameer's age is 7 years. Okay, and his sister is younger than 4 years younger than him. So what we will do here? We will minus 4 from 7. So 7 minus 4, we will get 3. So her sister's age is 3 years. Okay. Okay, now 10th question is, read the 10th question. Some students are standing in a row. Sohan is 6th from the left and 2nd from the right. How many students are in the row? So now we have to calculate the total student, okay, in a row. So Sohan is standing 6 from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 2nd from the right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 from the left and 2nd from the right, 1 and 2. So we have to calculate the total number of students. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. Okay. So total number of students are 7.